Welcome to Home Decor Hall, a dedicated YouTube channel for your dream home requirements. You can update yourself every day with latest and exceptional design ideas. I shall try to get all relevant issues for your discovery. If you wish to get any particular design idea, you can mention at comment section. In this video, you shall see living room decor ideas. People are getting trendier with their living room furniture and are replacing their boring angular sofa sets with curved sofas, which have a different aesthetic to them. Not only do they look cozier and more inviting in a living room space, but they also come with quirky designs and prints, if you happen to prefer those over plain sofa covers. Additionally, curvy armchairs are also making a comeback this year. So if you have always liked the way they looked in showrooms but did not have the courage to get one for yourself, this is your chance. Not only do they give your room an antique touch as soon as you enter it, but they are also a great option for people who entering only a couple of guests at a time. If you are someone who likes having just one or two people over every now and then, having a couple of padded armchairs beside your fireplace or coffee table to sit down and have a chat at is much more convenient than having a large sofa which you are probably never going to use. At the end of the day, it's all about convenience, and you don't have to invest in a sofa you don't need simply because it's the norm. You may have a wall with 10 paintings or photographs decorating the focal point of your living room, but gallery art pieces are being replaced for one large statement art piece. The beauty of having a large statement piece in your living room is that it gives the room a more put together feel and also gives your wall a clean and silky look. The best thing about statement pieces is that they can be customized to suit your taste in any way. Whether you have a quirky home or a fairly minimal one, you will be able to find a way to customize your art piece to suit your aesthetic. People are replacing their accent walls with a wall that has wallpaper. That's right, we're not talking about wallpapering your entire room, just one wall of it. Of course, this may not work in everyone's home, because if you have a minimal house, this may stick out like a sore thumb. However, if you feel like your room can do with a touch of color, consider using wallpaper instead of painting this time. The best part is that you can change your mind anytime you want and strip that paper right off the wall. You can't execute your living room design vision without first determining your budget. Identify where you want to save and where you want to splurge. Nothing that is equally important to take stock of what you already have and limit excess spending. This involves stepping outside the living room and combing through your home. I believe this video will help you to get living room furniture ideas. For latest updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.